Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Scandinavian nightstand on the market, the solid wood walnut nightstand by WoodsWhisper. This beautiful piece perfectly blends mid-century modern style with functionality, making it an ideal addition to any bedroom, dorm, or living room. Right from the start, this nightstand stands out with its unique design. It features meticulously hand-polished curved edges that soften the look, while a clever mix of square and round elements adds sophistication and warmth to your space. Unlike ordinary nightstands, this one creates a gentle, inviting atmosphere thanks to its elegant craftsmanship. Built from high-quality solid wood, the WoodsWhisper nightstand is both sturdy and durable. Its solid construction means it can withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring it remains a reliable piece of furniture for years to come. The warm walnut finish not only looks stunning but also highlights the natural grain of the wood, enhancing the Scandinavian aesthetic that focuses on simplicity and natural materials. This model comes with two drawers, each approximately 3.2 inches deep, providing ample storage space for your bedside essentials such as books, glasses, magazines, or even small gadgets. The drawers feature hidden handles and smooth, silent glides, maintaining the sleek design while delivering practicality. On top, the rectangular shape offers enough surface area to keep a lamp, a glass of water, or your phone within easy reach. One great thing about this nightstand is that it arrives mostly pre-assembled. You only need to attach the 4 support legs, which makes setup quick and hassle-free, saving you from spending hours assembling complicated furniture. The legs themselves are crafted from solid wood and provide stable support, adding to the overall durability of the piece. The surface is finished with a waterproof coating that makes cleaning simple. A quick wipe is all it takes to keep the nightstand looking fresh and dust-free. This feature adds a layer of protection, making it suitable for various rooms beyond the bedroom, like the living room or even a closet space where you need stylish yet functional storage. With dimensions of roughly 19 inches deep, 15.5 inches wide, and 18 inches high, it fits comfortably in most rooms without taking up too much floor space. Its compact size combined with efficient storage makes it perfect for smaller living environments, including dorm rooms or apartments, where every inch counts. The mid-century modern style of this nightstand aligns perfectly with Scandinavian design principles: minimalistic, functional, and elegant. It's a versatile piece that complements a wide range of interior styles, from contemporary to rustic, adding a touch of sophistication wherever it's placed. To sum up, the WoodsWhisper solid wood walnut nightstand offers a flawless combination of beauty, durability, and practical storage. Its artful design, solid construction, and easy installation make it a top choice for anyone seeking the best Scandinavian nightstand experience. Whether you need a bedside table that's both stylish and functional or a compact storage solution for small spaces, this nightstand ticks all the boxes. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.